If your skin suddenly burns when you apply products, feels tight after washing, breaks out from everything, or just looks dull no matter what you do, your problem is not acne, not dryness, and not aging. Your skin barrier is damaged. And the worst part? Most people are unknowingly making it worse every single day. Today, we're going to fix that. You've probably heard the term skin barrier on social media, but very few people actually understand what it means and why it controls how your skin looks, feels, and behaves. Your skin barrier is the outermost layer of your skin. Think of it like a brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks. The natural oils and lipids are the cement holding those bricks together. When this wall is strong, your skin looks smooth, glowy, calm, even toned. When this wall is damaged, your skin becomes red, irritated, dehydrated, acne-prone, sensitive. This layer's main job is very simple.
Keep moisture in. Keep irritants out.
But when it's damaged, water escapes from your skin and irritants easily get inside. That's when chaos starts. Here's where people get confused. They think, my skin is breaking out, so I need stronger acne products. My skin feels dry, so I need more exfoliation. My skin looks dull, so I need actives. But in reality, your skin doesn't need treatment. It needs repair. And until you repair the barrier, no skincare product will work properly. Most people don't realize their barrier is damaged because the symptoms look like other skin problems. Here are the biggest signs to look for. First, your skin stings when you apply products, even the ones that used to work fine. That burning sensation is your skin telling you the protective layer is weak. Second, your skin feels tight after washing. Not clean tight. That's a red flag. Third, you notice both oiliness and dryness at the same time. Your skin may look greasy, but feel flaky underneath. That's classic barrier damage. Fourth, redness that won't go away, especially around the nose, cheeks, and mouth. Fifth, sudden breakouts from products you've used for months without issues. And finally, your skin just looks dull and tired no matter what you apply. This is when people start product hopping, trying new serums, acids, and treatments, which only makes the problem worse. Because the real issue is not what you're missing. It's what your skin can no longer tolerate. Before you fix your barrier, you must stop damaging it. For at least 2 weeks, pause these AHA and BHA exfoliating acids, retinol and tretinoin, physical scrubs, fragrance-heavy products, alcohol-based toners. These ingredients are not bad, but on damaged skin, they delay healing. Also, stop overwashing your face. Twice a day is enough. No more. And use lukewarm water, not hot water. Hot water strips natural oils that your skin desperately needs right now. This phase is called skin fasting from actives. You are giving your skin time to breathe and rebuild. You might feel like you're doing less, but this is exactly what your skin needs. Now we rebuild. Step 2 is switching to a gentle cleanser. Look for words like hydrating,
Creamy. Non-foaming.
fragrance-free. Your skin should feel soft after washing, never tight. Step 3 is adding a barrier repair serum. Look for ingredients like
Ceramides.
panthenol, hyaluronic acid, low percentage niacinamide. These ingredients rebuild the cement between your skin cells. Step 4 is the most important, moisturizer. This is not the time for lightweight gel moisturizers. You need a thick, creamy moisturizer that seals hydration in and prevents water loss overnight. Apply it generously, especially at night. Your skin heals while you sleep. The step most people skip during barrier repair is sunscreen. Without sunscreen, your barrier cannot heal. UV rays break down your skin daily, even indoors through windows. SPF 30 or higher every morning is non-negotiable. Now, let's talk about time. Most people start noticing less redness and tightness within 10 to 14 days. But full repair can take 3 to 4 weeks. Do not rush this. After 3 weeks, if your skin feels calm, you can slowly reintroduce actives. Start with exfoliation once a week, then retinol twice a week. Watch how your skin responds. If irritation comes back, pull back immediately. To fix your skin barrier, stop harsh actives. Use a gentle cleanser. Add ceramides and hydration. Use a thick moisturizer. Wear sunscreen daily. That's it. Simple steps. Huge difference. If your skin has been feeling irritated, sensitive, or just off, this is likely the reason. Like this video. Subscribe for real skincare education. And comment barrier if this sounds like your skin.